All right, let's look at one of the best apps that you're going to have access to and you'll use the most in my classes. So go ahead and log into your account. Once you're in your main page here, I went to my mail screen. You're going to look for those little boxes that gives you the links to your apps. Let's click on those. And we're going to head over to the one called Drive. Now what Google Drive is a huge online storage for you. So let's get you set up with Google Drive. We can download the drive to the computer. We're not going to do that. If you want to do that at home, you can. That helps sync things between what's on your computer and what's online. We're just going to hit the no thanks button. So this is your Google Drive. Now you can access this anywhere, on the computer, on your phone, on your tablet. If you've got internet access somewhere, you can get to the files that are on here. What more you can do with that is you can share these files. So you can upload documents, create documents, collaborate with another student live with those documents anytime, anywhere. So let's take a look at what you can create. So if you go over to the left, there's a big red button that says create. You can create folders. We'll go over that for organization of your files. You can make a document, a presentation. This would be like a PowerPoint file. You can make a spreadsheet, so this would be like your Excel type files. And you can do forms. You can actually make a form to ask people questions, allow them to fill in, select from different responses. You can also make schematic drawings. So let's go ahead and look at the documents. Once you have a blank document created, you can see that it's an untitled document. So in the upper left-hand corner where it says untitled document, go ahead and click on that. New box will come up. Make sure you name it something that makes sense to you. When you turn in assignments, you want to make sure this is specifically named so that you can tell what it is and that the teacher knows what it is. So if I want to call this my first document, pretty self-explanatory what it is, hit OK. So once you're in here, you can actually type. It works much like Word. All your controls are up here. If you want to change the font, size, color, etc., you can change pretty much anything you want about this. So this opens up in a new tab up in the top of the browser. Let's go back to a different tab up here. Go back to my Drive. And you can see as soon as you make something, your document's sitting right there. Anytime you want to see it, interact with it, just click on it. It opens it right back up and you're back working on your document. Now if I wanted to share this with somebody, say I had a report that I had to write with somebody else or a script idea, I would make my document and in the upper right hand corner it says share. I can click on that share button and I can choose who I specifically want to share this with. Down here it says invite people. So we can specifically invite somebody or another class, student in the class to work with us on this project. So you'd simply type their email address in and hit send and the document will be shared with them.